Do you know that your email account is about to be hacked? Yes, I mean every bit of this word I've just said right now. If you have not done these things I want to show you right now, I bet you may wake up and you discover that your email has been taken over by another person. And you know the very painful aspect of it. If you are using it to receive official email from your office, maybe you've applied for a particular job and use that email to receive a message, or there is an important thing that goes on in that your email, maybe even the phone numbers stored in your email, your photos and all that stored in your email, and you do not protect this your email account, I bet you, without you doing these 4 things I want to show you right now, that your email will be taken over by another person. So in this video, I will show you 4 things you need to turn on or you need to do in order to protect that your email account from being taken over by another person. The first thing I want you to do right now, if you have used your phone number as your password, go and change it right now. Do not use anything that people can easily guess about you as your password. Now, let's go to the second thing. Now, having come to this very place, go over to this place we have security. Okay? Now, once this loads, there is just 1 or 2 things you will just need to change from this very place. Now, you see this place we have recovery email address. It is very, very important. Okay? Make sure you add a recovery email address. One reason you need to add it up is in case if you forget your password. In case the person tries to gain access to your email address, one thing about Google account is that they will always send a notification to that your recovery email. And by this, you will be saved from that. Where we have recovery email, just click on it. Once you click on it, it will just gently load and it will ask you to put your email password. Once you put it, it will bring up a place for you to add a recovery email address. Just click on this very place. Add that recovery email address. Is very, very important. Don't forget it. Okay? Wow, you just add that recovery email address. Now you save it. Okay, the moment you save it, they will send a verification code to that email. Okay, once they do that, you just put that code there. That email will be attached to this your new email or that email you are using. The next thing you need to do is that you need to do what? You need to add a phone number. Click on this very place. It will bring up a place for you to add a phone number. Just put your email password. It will bring out a place for you to add that phone number, and they will send a verification code for you. You enter that verification code and that phone number will be stick to this email. So they will not have access to that your email except if they have access to that your phone. That's another thing you need to do. Another very important thing I would like you to do is this. You see this place, we have 2-step verification. Please click on it right now. Yes, I say click on it right now. Once you click on it, that phone number you have added, they will always send a message to that phone number each time anybody tries to log into your email address. Okay, so if anybody, even you, want to log into your email address, they will always send a verification code for you before you gain access to that email account. So without that person providing that verification code, the person will not be able to sign in to your email account. And so you see why it's very, very important. You need to protect your email account. Remember, put a strong password, not your phone number. 2. Put a recovery email address. 3. Add a phone number to that your email account. Turn on the two-step verification so that each time you want to log in, Google will first of all send a message to you and you use the code they send to you to log in. And that's what you need to do. Having done this, you will see that you are protecting your email, you are protecting the files in your email, and some of you that have your contacts stored in your email address, you protect those your contacts, and hackers will not take advantage of you. So just follow these simple steps and you will secure your email address.